Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Garage Topics. I've been MIA, I've been doing a bunch of remodeling around the house, which takes into too much car time. I don't recommend it at all. I wanted to give an update on everything. Corvette, I drive almost every day, but I've literally been cutting tiles like non-stop for the past 2 months, I feel like it. And I drive it every day, but over the weekend I did some crazy tile cutting with the garage door closed and just completely coated this thing, so it needs a wash. Before I give it a wash, let me show you what I actually have been doing. Even Ernie's been deprived. I haven't even been playing with him because I've been so busy doing tile work. Come here, man. Where you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, let's go show them tile. This bathroom's been out of commission for almost 2 months with me doing all this crap, but I've almost done. I've finished cutting the tile. I've just got to grout the walls, and this has literally taken me forever. And I'm happy with the end result, but it's cut into my free time of just hanging out, doing car stuff. I think it'll be worth it in the end because the other shower sucked, but you gotta definitely take priority as what you're doing. But it kind of translates working in the cars and working in the house, but you gotta prioritize how much time you spend on doing it. Throughout this whole process, I've actually put on a different exhaust on this Corvette. I have tri-Y headers and an X-pipe, and I have the stock axle back right now, the titanium ones. I want to change that. I'll make a whole video dedicated to that whole process, but I'm gonna do a cold start up and back this out so we can wash it so you can hear what it sounds like. Man, the camera makes it look a whole lot better in person, but this thing is filthy. It's like completely covered in dust. You can't even see out the windshield. To make matters worse, the buckets that I used to use to wash this car, I had to use to mix cement. So I'm just gonna spray it off for today. I'm gonna have to wait for another day to give it a deep scrub. There's a wagon, there's a truck. I'll get into those in a little bit, but let's wash this thing right now. Apologies about the noise, but I wanted to show you how good this foam cannon was. I got a cheap one off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, but check this out. You ready, fellas? Oh man, look at that. God, keep going. Keep going. So good. This one works incredibly well. Oh, need a little stuff in the window there. Holy. Done. Getting dark out. She clean. We'll dry down in a second, but I wanted to cover these bad boys. I haven't driven this since Power Tour. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually took this on Power Tour, and it was pretty fun. The brake lines are messed up. It needs a new U-joint, and I think that's about it. Other than that, it's ready to rip. I've just been so busy doing house stuff that this has been put on hold, so more to come with this. I love this thing. The truck, it's been driving just fine. It's better with only 30,000 miles on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should keep this or not, what I should replace it with, but just things I'm thinking about. Alright, I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to think about this wagon some more, think about the truck, let me know in the comments. But I'm going to dry it off and then cool down and have some dinner. LS Fest is coming up, first weekend in September after Labor Day, so we got some stuff I want to do to the Corvette before then, so be on the lookout for that. So I'm heading out to Street Car Takeover. I was going to drive my car, but I've never taken it down the quarter mile ever, and so don't feel like embarrassing myself in front of thousands of people. So I'm gonna check it out, check out some cool cars. Hopefully this event turns out great because the weather's pretty good today. I'm just looking forward to just enjoying car stuff because it's been months since I've done some car related stuff on my own. Sale. One owner, always babied.
New tires.
New tires. Regular tune-ups. Highway miles only. Excuse me, sir. Sitting sideways. Sitting sideways. Oh, hell yeah. Hell effing yeah. My man. It's not tire smoke coming from the engine bay. Evening time now, the weather has held off, it's great. So I thought I had to run a class to do drag racing, but I don't, so I'm gonna run the Corvette. I'm gonna do a test and 2 pass, so if I make fun of myself, it'll be in front of thousands of people, so wish me luck. Cool variety of cars here. It's nice to see a bunch of everything. And this event, I've liked this event so far, it's been great. Mustang is fresh. There's a couple of these Dodge Vipers here, man. They look incredible. Like most events, I get tow rig envy. This thing is freaking clean and sweet. Foreshadowing maybe something in the future. We don't know, but man, these things, these Cobras, I absolutely love as well. I could see myself owning one of these in the future. So I'm an idiot and left my suction cup at home, but I've never made a stick shift pass on a quarter mile before in my life, ever. I've done 1/8 mile back when I was like 18, so 30 now, so it's been a while, so hopefully I don't make a fool of myself, but hopefully we'll get some shots from out the car and hopefully I don't break anything, but excited to see what it does at least, so let's get it. 9 o'clock in the staging lanes. I'm pretty cold, I haven't turned the car in a couple hours, so here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Crazy. Just enough to get the tires dry. All right. I missed second. I need to do something with the fluid. And third, my hand slipped off because I was sweating because I'm nervous. Motto of the story is just go do it and have fun. So obviously you need practice to be good, but I'm glad I did it. Let's take a look. This is a slow boy. Guy next to me ran at 8.8. 13.9 is pretty slow. Snoozing, but it's all good. Just ran a 12.9. That's not that quick, but for me, that's pretty good. It improved a whole second between my first and second shot, so that was kind of neat. Definitely need to launch harder, but I kind of don't want to do that with this car, so man, that was great. I need to build a drag racing car. I think it's inevitable. Maybe the wagon. Back home now, that was a blast. It was a lot of fun. I now have a bad itch to do drag racing all the time, so I don't know if the Corvettes would be it or the wagon, but I got to do something about it because that was a lot of fun. So, if anything, same like autocross, just go out there. Make sure your car is safe, but it doesn't have to be perfect, because if you wait for it to be perfect, you'll never do it. That's a lot of things in life go like that, but that's just it for today. That's it for today. LS Fest is coming up. I've got a bunch of stuff that I want to squeeze in before LS Fest. Now I'm done with that shower. I actually have time to work on other things besides it, so I'm going to get cracking. Hopefully I have a bunch of videos coming out soon. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Travis getting the footage. And terrible names, but guy with the Sentra, you're rad. You're awesome. Catch you later. Peace out. Make sure your dog doesn't do any weird quarter-mile times or something. Peace out!